If your Samsung refrigerator is not cooling, making strange noises, or cycling on and off too frequently, the compressor could be the culprit. I'm William, AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'll guide you through testing this part. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Always disconnect your refrigerator by unplugging it or turning off the breaker unless live voltage testing is necessary. With power off and our tools ready, let's dive into diagnosing your Samsung refrigerator's cooling issues. Remove the compressor compartment cover. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the plastic cover from the side of the compressor. Disconnect the wires from the compressor terminals. Grab your multimeter and set it to ohms, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Test between each pair of compressor pins. Each combination of pins should have a resistance reading within 5% of each other. If any reading is outside of the 5% tolerance, the compressor windings have failed. If all readings are within range, something else is causing your refrigerator to not cool. For a compressor replacement, an EPA-certified technician would need to conduct the repair. Great job tackling that compressor test. We'd love to hear how your repair experience went, so drop us a comment below. If you'd like a little more diagnostic assistance, be sure to visit our forum page where you can get answers from our technicians. Links in the description. Remember, if you need any more parts, just type in your refrigerator's model number on AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you won't have to wait long. Thanks for trusting us with your appliance repair, and we look forward to seeing you on your next project.